Perfect. Perfect.
Hi! Sorry, I'm just so excited because I haven't really fully drawn a color pencil portrait before, and I'm just like, what? So this was supposed to be a Halloween themed portrait. I originally planned to put spider webs up on the top and add more spiders and yeah. But I did not do that because I wanted to finish it before Halloween. It's December 3 right now, so it's kind of past Halloween, so that's why I didn't add those things, but I still think it looks pretty decent. The medium that I use for this drawing, wow, medium, such a fancy art word. I use colored pencil. Also, I've been thinking about posting YouTube videos on tips and advice on how I draw portraits, and I'm also thinking about making multiple YouTube videos, like a series, instead of just one video. So if you're interested, keep an eye out. So thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you have a great day. Oh, I got my lipstick on it. It's so cold outside.